Turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert this morning. Looking behind you, we got a lot of purple on that map. The way that it kind of is distributed throughout southern Oregon is a little bit weird, but covering a large portion of Siskiyou County. What does this mean in terms of travel and impacts we'll see today?
Yeah, this means that we're going to see snow impacting travel today for Siskiyou County in elevations above 2,500 feet, and then for the Cascades and Siskiyous in all elevations. So this is why we have the winter weather advisory in place for Siskiyou County. It runs from 10 this morning to 10 p.m. tonight, and then for the Cascades and Siskiyous, it runs also from 10 this morning, but until 7 p.m. in this evening. And the temperature is already setting the table and already setting the stage for the day that will be ahead. Snow levels are going to be very low today, anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 feet. And the temperatures this morning reflective of that, as we're in the teens and 20s over on the east side, 20s throughout the Shasta Valley, a little bit above freezing for the Rogue Valley. We're at 33 and 34 for Medford and Grants Pass respectively, and then we're at 47 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. So the storm system has already arrived along the coast. It's just bringing some very light showers for right now, but that is certainly going to change a little bit later in the morning. So we'll put this into motion with Stormcast. And by the time we get to a little bit later in the morning, so right around 8 a.m., that is when we're going to see some of this heavier precip, moderate to heavy precip arriving along the coast. Then that'll start to spread inland throughout the rest of the morning. And by the time we get to lunchtime, it looks like the bulk of this is going to be along into the west of the Cascades. Now, eventually, this will spread over to the east of the Cascades. So for dinner time, this is going to be widespread rain and snow, and it's predominantly going to be snow because snow levels will be so low, and we'll take a look at those in just a second. But we're going to be dry as we head into Thursday, then we'll be dry for Friday as well. Projected rainfall totals look pretty similar compared to just 24 hours ago. The big winner is going to be along the coast. Secondary to that will be the Cascades and the Illinois Valley. And then we'll finally get some appreciable rain amounts within the west side valleys. You know, for the last couple of storm systems, we've had winds, and that's put dry air into the valleys. And so that has really curbed our rainfall totals. Well, not this time. We're going to have anywhere between 0.2 to 0.5 of an inch of rain. Snow levels pretty low today, right around 3,000 feet. And then they're going to drop even lower into the overnight hours, down to around 1,500 feet, 1,000 feet. So if any of that moisture lingers in a Thursday morning, it is possible that we could see a snow shower or two within the Rogue Valley, but we are not expecting any accumulations within the Rogue Valley. That's all going to happen outside of the Rogue Valley. So the main hot spots are going to be down in south central Siskiyou County. 4 to 6 inches of snow we're expecting for Mount Shasta City, maybe a little bit more than that for Black Butte Pass and for Snowman Summit. And then the other hot spot is going to be up towards Diamond Lake and Crater Lake, anywhere between 6 to 12 inches of snow possible there. And then even for our west side passes, Hayes Hill, Sexton Summit, Canyon Creek Summit, anywhere between 1 inch to 3 that we're expecting. So travel is obviously going to be the most impacted today because that's when the storm system is actually moving through. But then drier weather into Thursday and Friday will improve roadways in a big way. So for today, widespread rain and snow. Snow levels between 2,000 to 3,000 feet. And then overnight, we will dry out in a hurry. Maybe just a few lingering snow showers up towards Crater Lake, but we will also see maybe a few showers along the coast as well. But then drying out for Thursday and Friday, small but not very impactful shower chances starting for the weekend and then going beyond that. So very quickly now, your 7-day forecast for the coast. Today will be the wettest day, then after that, pretty nice weather. For Siskiyou County, we will see rain and snow likely for today, maybe a snow shower or two lingering into Thursday, and then much drier beyond that. For the east side, we'll see maybe a couple inches of snow for Klamath Falls, and for Lakeview, maybe a few more inches for Oregon 140. Then after that, it'll all melt pretty quickly just because we'll have so much sunshine. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, we will also see snow today. Then after that, not much, maybe even the snowpack melting a little bit just because of the sunshine we'll see. And then for the Rogue Valley, rain likely today, showers lingering into Thursday, and then some more very small shower chances over the weekend.
Okay, well, looking forward to some more precipitation coming into our region today, but looking more forward to this pattern that we have following today.
I'm looking forward to Friday and to Monday. When's the last time we just had sunshine?
Over a weekend, too. That never happens for us.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Great stuff this morning. We will take it. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.